Nagre-record na? Iyan mo na yung kotse. Lamig! Ang lamig! Nag-contest? So I wear my gloves, man! Cold! English na ako, ha? Sabi ko sa'yo. Come on, darling. Come on here. Let me show you around. Itong bahay ni Manoy. Itong side. Yan. Ito yung sala. Yan yung sala. At yan yung malalaki yung mga ang tawag doon, sala set. Ito yung kitchen. Yan, ito yung kitchen. Ito yung kwarto ni Manoy sa second floor. Ito yung basement. At dyan kami naglo-laundry. Yan. Amerikano na ako, ha. Ito yung basurahan namin. Yan. Andito yung isang dining room. Ano dyan. Pero usually doon na dining room ang ginagamit namin. Banda doon yung dining room.
Dito.
Ito yung backyard. See from here. Darling, come on, darling. Come on. Tutol kita para ka na rin nasa Amerika. Ito yung backyard nila. Ito yung parang fluffy, parang cotton, darling.
Humiga ka.
Oh, then, can you see this? Look at this, darling. Look at this. That's an angel, darling. See? Can you see that, darling? Can you see that? That's an angel, darling. Can you see? That's an angel. See? That's an angel in the snow. Lady. See that? That's Papa. Got you, man. Okay. Ito. See? Hanggang dito. Yan. Wala kaming sled, sleigh, whatever. Sayang, dapat nagano kami.
Ginagamit yung takip ng basurahan.
Padaos-dos kami dyan.
Ng likod ng bahay.
Ito yung likod ng bahay. See? Yun. Ito yung likod ng bahay. Ito yung family room. Dito kami nanonood ng TV, yung malaki. Parang sinihan yan dyan sa loob. At din nakalagay yung beer ni Manoy. Ito ang mga beer ni Manoy. Dito niya nilalagay yung mga beer. See, dito lang namin kinukuha. It's cold. Okay, darling. Saside ko yan sa'yo. Okay.